Hello, hello. How are you? Good morning. How are you? I hope you are well and safe. Today we're going to learn something new. Let's get started. Alright, today we're going to talk about the question word which. We're going to use the question word which to ask a question about the specific noun a person is referring to. Which. We are going to use which in our questions. Let's see some examples using the question word which. Which? Which dessert do you want? Which dessert do you want? Don't forget, we use which to ask a question about the specific noun a person is referring to. Which dessert do you want? I want a chocolate cake, please. I want a chocolate cake. Yummy. Which? Which main course do you want? Which main course do you want? I want a pepperoni pizza, please. I want a pepperoni pizza. Yummy. Which drink do you want? Which drink do you want? I want a glass of water, please. I want a glass of water. Which side dish do you want? Which side dish do you want? I want a delicious salad, please. I want a delicious salad. Okay, very good, guys. Don't forget, we need to use which to ask about a specific noun a person is referring to. So, thanks for watching. See you soon. Have a great day. I love you.